Welcome to 5508 Jude Vincent Ln, located in Lakes of Clearfield subdivision just southeast of Lake Charles, Louisiana, on almost a half-acre of land. You enter this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home through the foyer, which features a signature beadboard barrel ceiling. The living room features a 9-foot ceiling with ceiling fan and recessed lighting. It also has beautiful wood flooring. The dining room is located just off the foyer and also has a wood floor and an oiled bronze chandelier. The kitchen has a large island with a breakfast bar. The fixtures are all oiled bronze. It also has wood floors. There is a stainless steel double sink, dishwasher and microwave oven. The cabinets are all custom built and have beautiful granite countertops.